Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.
Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Slow cooker curry chicken. Here I have 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I soaked in the juice of a lemon for about 15 minutes, and then I just rinsed it clean under cold running water. Then I cut each of the chicken thighs into 3 or 4 equal sized pieces. For a slow cooker curry chicken, in addition to having the 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, I have a nice mix of seasonings we'll be using. Here's a green seasoning blend with a lot of culantro. You can use cilantro, or shadow benny is great as well. A garlic ginger mix, some Worcestershire sauce, coconut milk. I'm going to use a hot Jamaican curry. I have some red onions and pimentos here, and also kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper. And I will be listing the ingredients and quantities in the description box below for you guys. For the green seasoning blend, you can use a variety of fresh herbs, whatever you can find. So this one has shadow benny, parsley, green onions, and you can put Spanish thyme in it as well. So whatever you have available, just make a nice mixture. You can also add garlic as well to this green seasoning mix, and you can use it as an all-purpose seasoning. To make this super easy, I just added all my ingredients to the bowl with the chicken thighs. Then I just stirred everything together till all the ingredients are well blended. And now it's time to just add my chicken curry mixture to the slow cooker. Now I'm just going to let this rest for about an hour before I turn the slow cooker on. 2 or 3 times during the marinating process, I'm just going to stir everything up. I just want to keep all those flavors getting nice and blended and getting into the meat until we're ready to turn the slow cooker on. Our chicken thighs have been marinating for about an hour or so, so now it's time to turn on the slow cooker. I'm going to set the slow cooker on low for 8 hours, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to check it before that time is up to make sure it doesn't get overdone. This is such a great recipe for busy families on the go. So now all I have to do is cover our slow cooker, and I have it set on low heat for 8 hours. Check this out. This is after 4 hours on low heat, and it's perfectly cooked. Now it's time to give this a taste. That is absolutely delicious. It's creamy, it's spicy, all those lovely curry flavors. Mommy made some yummy dal puri to go with our slow cooker curry chicken. One of my very favorite memories is when Daddy used to take us on vacation. We used to go to Tobago a lot and stay on Store Bay. And one of my favorite things to eat was a wrap roti. So now I made this delicious slow cooker curry chicken, and I am going to make my own wrap roti. All you gotta do is just pile all your chicken or your meat, whatever you're having. Shrimp too is great to do this way, and I love to have some of my nice curry sauce on there. And then all you gotta do is just fold it up. So now you got a nice roti wrap to bite into. There's my roti wrap. Thank you, Store Bay, for all the great memories, and Tobago, yes. So here we have our delicious chicken wrap, Mummy's yummy dal puri, and my slow cooker curry chicken. If you don't have any roti on hand, you can always use something like a large tortilla, something like what you would use to wrap a burrito. This is so great, guys, and it wouldn't be complete without some of Mommy's delicious pepper sauce to go with this. In for another bite. It's lovely. Finger licking good. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.